Yo, what's up guys? They're gonna be playing a long dusty trip. Or just a dusty trip. So let's go. Oh no, one player. There. One player. Now, as we go in to a dusty trip. Nah, bro, what is this tutorial? You think I need a tutorial? I played this game before. That's why I have my own Cybertruck. Let's go. Let's go. So let's just start by assembling this right here. Now you see way over there how it's trying to annoy us? We don't listen to that annoying tutorial. The most annoying thing in the world, and we won't even see it. One. It's not saying I accomplished that or anything, but I don't know. Probably because they're doing some big event. I don't know exactly, okay? And if you're saying we need to plug that in there, that's just the charger for it. So let's just get going. After I do all this, that is. After I assemble the whole Cybertruck, I've only took like 5 rides in this thing, maybe like 7 or 6. But here we go. About to take off. Okay, so now how you use this, if you guys have one and you don't know how to use it, in the game, of course, in the game, then you click this, okay? Now, if you're on iPad or tablet, there should be a thing that's like an engine symbol, and you tap that, and then when you're on computer, just do what it says in the corner. It says press R. So, okay, I did it. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Guys, I've made it to 20,000. I will show you that badge after, but I did make it to 20,000. In fact, I might pop it up on screen here, but I'm lazy, so I might not edit it in here. So let's go. We're not even hungry because of how fast I put that together. Hey guys, I'm literally here. You can hear me clicking now. Yeah? Now you can't. Because this thing's full self-drive. Although I do have to turn. So it's actually like the real Cybertruck. And when you get into Ghost Camp or Ghost Town, whatever you want to call it. They, not Ghost Town. What's that? No, I think it's Ghost Town. When you get there, they can't break your car. So oh wait, yeah, you guys are right. Let me turn that on. Oh my gosh, this thing can only see like a couple studs in front of you. Although it's still a good car if you're like a starter and you want to buy it, I recommend. It's almost the same speed as a Lamborghini. So, bro, my radio just said it ain't that bad. Okay. I don't even know what that said. I think the owner just put that in. No, not the owner. Sorry. The co-owner technically, he bought it. So, let's go. Oh, guys, we're going so fast. Oh yeah, let's do some drifting, and let me turn that off. Let's go. We're already at 4,000 meters, which means we're just entering the bridge in a minute. Okay, if you guys can count for every 5 seconds. So 1 minute, in 1 minute exactly, or no, 30 seconds, half a minute, we will be met with the bridge, which is right in front of us. And I'm not that good at using the bridge, so. Here's the bridge. We're already at the bridge, you guys. I'm gonna just self-drive the whole way across this bridge. Probably not the best idea, but you know, a pretty good idea. Let's go. Ram! Oh wait, no. Okay, there. Okay, you guys ready? I'm gonna go super fast. No, 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 no. Please. Yeah, the Dusty Trip gods have saved me. Guys, not go too fast on the bridge because I learned my lesson. So, let's go. Oh, we just made it across the bridge. Let's go. I can't see the highlights. Okay, good. It's still telling me to put wheels on the car, but that's because, you know, the car back there. And I don't like this door. I know it's probably been annoying you guys. I honestly don't like it either. You're not allowed distracted driving, right? Okay, well this is distracting me a lot, so. Okay, yeah, exactly. Huh? Let's go. In the game, it's distracting me. Let's go. We're going pretty fast, and we're almost at 10,000. We might not even have to refill, although, yeah, guys, I'm looking at my hunger. It's not too great. Same within real life. I'm joking. I just ate a sandwich. I shouldn't be hungry. I'm not really hungry. Sandwich? Did I say sandwich? Oh my gosh. No, I didn't eat a sandwich. What's wrong with me? Let's go. No, it's not that. It's wrong with me eating a sandwich. This is where the checkpoint is, isn't it? Checkpoint ahead. Let's go. Come on, self-driving Tesla. Let's go. I gotta turn it, but it still feels like self-driving. See, it's staying at 79. If I was driving, it would have gone up. We need to get out of here. There's a tornado. There's about to be a sandstorm, and I'm very sweaty. Heat wave, which makes my hunger go down a bit faster, I think. Which is why we need to absolutely ace this test on driving. So let's get going. Well, I'm already going. No. Exactly. I don't fail the flips. Ooh, wait, I might have to charge, but guys, there's no batteries in the game. I'm joking, there's one in the front, and that's the charger on top. Let's go. You can attach the charger anywhere you want on your car. Even if it doesn't say the Z thing on your screen, you can still attach it. Or, wasn't it X? Or, I don't know. Okay, we're about to go into Ghost Town. So I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button, the big red button below me, or back with it. Or maybe white if you've already hit it, but it doesn't matter. So it's already depending what device you're on or what mode you're on, it will be black. I'm pretty sure you guys know that. Guys, I'm in Ghost Town. See, they can't shoot me. I'm literally indestructible. Sorry, guys. I never heard about not being indestructible in this thing. This thing's bulletproof up to 90,000 meters. So you can't. No, I think it's. Oh, wait. They can shoot me through the windshield, but that's the only thing they can shoot me from. Yeah. Okay. Well, getting past here would be a huge milestone if I didn't have the Cybertruck. Let's go. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna park and I might park and I might Where'd the road go? I think it's just a glitch. Yeah, it's just a glitch. It's just a glitch. Yeah, okay. Guys, I'm gonna pull over. I'm gonna pull over to wait. What is that? Okay, I'm not getting distracted. Hold on. Pull that up. Okay. grab it, open, leave, and you guys see that? That's a house, obviously. Oh yeah, look at the start, how it was, and now after, like, bro, stay right there. Oh my gosh, you know what? I'm gonna lure it. So, guys, the best way to deal with these weird things is you gotta lure them, lure them. You gotta lure them out of their hibernation, cause you know they're just like a bird, and they hibernate in their lazy house all day long. And sorry, bud, you gotta get out. Yep. Okay. Bro, what? This guy is literally. Please. Please. There's no way I escape, bro. She's already. Bro, why can this thing chase me for so long? The owner needs to fix that. He can't just camp you like that. Okay, I'm running. I'm not stopping. I'm not stopping until he stops. Oh my gosh! What did it say, Matt? Why is he So you're saying, if I'm 500 studs close to you, you follow me. But if I'm 500 studs away from you, you stop. That's honestly not impressive at all. You need to get a fine for being so fast. I don't like that. So, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, rob this guy's house. Please tell me he actually has stuff in there. So, let me just climb the Bikini Bottom rock and let's go. You know what? You know what? Actually, I might blow that guy up. Wait, is that a gun? Is that a gun? Oh, it's a shield. Oh, it's a did I say that it's a shield? No, guys, I need some potato chip. I can't eat potato chips in this game? What is this? No. There is no. What is this? What's this engine? I can't use that engine. I'm not a gas guy. Please. Oh, this is a lot of liters of water and gas and, well, I don't know, whatever else you need. And, oh my god. Guys, this is literally. Thank you. Okay, this is taking me longer to find food than it is for me to eat food, obviously. Okay. No, actually, I don't want to bring one of these with me. Okay, oh, nah. Let go. Okay, now there should be somewhere in here a shield. Okay, the thing that I most needed is still here, and that's the best thing ever. Let's go. Okay, let's go. I got the shield. Just put that on. And let's get going. Let's get back to going. Let's just go. Thank you. Let's go. Yes, sir. Wait, what? Oh, wait, bro, I always forget which way we're going. Because of that, cause that thing that chases you. Oh, wait. Didn't I say? No, I gotta charge my battery at my next destination, guys. Because I promised I would charge my battery in this video, but my hunger seed has to be useful as well. So I gotta use my hunger. So I gotta use my battery and make use of my hunger. So, you know, at least 15,000 meters, then we can. There's usually a shop by now, but I don't know why there's. What the? That's new! Oh no. Don't tell me. Are we entering? Don't tell me. If there's other cars, does that mean we're entering? No way. Are we entering Ghost Town? This could be Ghost Town, guys, and I'm scared because, you know, you gotta stay off the road from now on. I don't know what else to tell myself other than that. I'm in Ghost Town. Because you see those graves in the road, and that's also out of the ordinary. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go. No, I'm such a bad driver. I don't even have my license yet. Well, there is no licenses in the game. I guess I really should have thought. No, don't tell me. What the? They don't. Let me. I need to turn my car off. Go, leave, rob, and that's how our policy works. Bro, what are? Bada bada bada. Let me, please, buddy. Look. Yes, yes, I can fight back. I can fight back. Yeah, 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 yeah. Please, just let me hit you. I want to hit you. Yes. Now, my car. Now I finish. Sorta. Not really. Yes. You should have. I should have reconsidered. I should have reconsidered. Yes. Yes. Yeah. 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 Wait a minute. Things scared me. When I killed them before, they never did that. So I'm wondering if we found a place called Ghost Town, which is extremely out of the ordinary. Please let me actually just hit you. Bro, I can't even I can't even, oh my gosh. Bro, please, just let me, that's it. You made me do it. Oh yeah, hit him in the head. Concussion time, buddy, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, let's go. I never knew how to do this. Well, this guy made me so angry I figured out a new tactic in a dusty trip. Get your body out of the way. Now I attach this. So that way I will always have this stuff I need. Got a shield, and on top of that, I got myself an axe. Now, time for me to rob their place. Yes, what do they have that they were guarding the whole time? Yes. Yes. I got this and ammo. Yo, does that mean there's a blaster? Does that mean there's a blaster? Bro, there's so much stuff I could use to demolish things around here. So let's go. Let's get going. I'll just put this on the front of my car. And let's go. Actually, Let me saw it. Okay, let's go. Oh wait, I'm actually not hungry. That's pretty good. Hold on, can I drink this? No, you cannot drink these. Otherwise, I would be drinking them the whole time. I will attach this to my car if I'm hungry. Now let's get going. First, I need to grab everything I can find in here. Like this pepper wrapper. Pepper wrapper. Oh no, I can't attach it. Guys, I got a feeling I can't attach the pepper. It's not letting me attach the pepper because I'm too far. I'll just eat it then. Nom nom nom. Let's go. Yes, sir. We're all ready and we're all charged up. Except I'm not charged up. I forgot. We're not charged up yet. I'm so sorry, guys. I literally forgot the one of the main points, one of the main things to do with your space truck. Although, yeah, they did that because copyright reasons, and you know, I don't want to strike them or anything. So. Bro, guys, this is literally the hardest, one of the hardest to charge, but one of the easiest cars I could find. Now I just gotta wait and wait and wait for this car to charge. Taking a while. Like a long time. Scary. Yeah. Okay, this is taking a long time, but hold on, let me close the door. Close the door, put that on. No, I can't put that on. What am I thinking? Turn every gear off. Come on, close the door, close the door. Ooh. Oh, is this storm over? Dang it. No way, I don't know why, it's just not over. It's actually kind of sad. The storm's not over. Okay, wait. Nah! Did it strike my... Oh my gosh. Guys, wait, it actually... I think I helped it. Yeah, it helped it charge. Let's go. Wait, but my chocolate bar and my stuff fell off. Oh, wait. No, okay, my hood still exists. But now that means our car is less durable, and now it turned into a rusty trip. Ignore my extremely cringe puns. Wait, did it buff the tires? It buffed the tires. Ain't no way. I'm pretty sure it buffed the tires. It's got it. I'm pretty sure it gotta buff the tires. Come on. 100% sure it buffed the tires. Let's go. Okay, bro. Do I still have that axe on my car and that chocolate bar? That was a chocolate bar. Let's go. I ain't leaving without my chocolate bar. My chocolate bar, not my coca bar. Okay, but to be fair, chocolate does look like poop. Okay, well, you know what? Different conversation. There's my turtle shell, and I'll just put that on there. I'll click Z to attach, and now we'll have a death machine. Hehehehe. Yes, indeed. You heard me right. The death machine. And anything that comes close to the death machine will get death machined. Death machine. Let's go. Death machine. We got the death machine. Nothing's getting on the death machine. And I mean nothing. Actually, I might put that shield on the side there. And now nothing is getting through my death machine. Now let's go. Yeah, let's go. Down, 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 down. Let's go. Wait. Oh, yes, yes. Finally, the cartoon door thing stopped. Oh wait, are we going backwards? Okay, I handled the flip. What is that? Let's go forward. Not backwards in life. That's the bad way. Hey, let's go, and hopefully we can make it to 25,000 meters, because I've made it to 20,000 meters. I keep hitting that. I don't know why, or I know why. Something got a balloon blaster item. Let's go. No. W's for them. W's for the guy that got. Yeah, W's for Dragon Master that got the balloon gun. W's for CS. That scared me have to oof. That scared me have to oof. Oh my gosh, we must be entering Ghost Town. Oh, we're in Ghost City. We're in Ghost Town. Nah, this is literally one of the most scary. Is like not scary, but you know, like surprising games. Like that surprised me that a car just went straight for my head. Sorry, I almost lost my voice there. Straight for my head, and it almost demolished me and decapitated me piece by piece, limb by limb, and bone by bone. I had to think of every single word there, and it sorry, but we don't connect. I've never, so I've been past here, but I've never experienced the ghost cars. I hear one. I hear one. Oh, scary. Hopefully we're out of Ghost Town now. Please, I don't know why there's other cars. It's scary. Well, it surprised me. Again, I keep mixing up my words. Surprised me. I jumped up in my chair. Jumped up from my chair. 'Cause I heard the surprise sound. I went into the room and saw a truck coming after me. Okay, bro, this thing keeps scaring me, although it's one of the main parts of the car, so I don't want to take it off because it's the charger. Yo, I think we're good. I haven't seen a ghost car in a while now. Yo, I'm good, okay. Let's go! No ghost car. Oh my gosh, it's whenever I turn the wrong way, isn't it? I got a feeling it's if I'm off the track for too long. That's on. No. Please don't tell me there's ghost cars still. I'm literally surprised right now. I'm literally shaking right now in my boots just because I met a ghost car. I'm sorry, that's not scary at all. A ghost car with nobody in it. Yeah, not surprising at all. Bro, I keep mixing up my words. I don't know why. But it's just wait. Yo, I landed it. Let's go. My radio is also like kind of weird. It's like, ain't that bad? And who's on the other side of you? Who's ordering me food and gas and hunger and I don't know. But let's go. Yo, okay, we made it to 20,000. No. Oh no, we're back in Ghost Town again, aren't we? I thought that was a car coming at me. I'm just imagining a car comes at me. Like, it would be so funny. I don't like the sound effects either. Makes me scared. These cars are scary. I thought a dusty trip was just meant to be fun. Well, this fun is just, you know. Ooh, we're running battery low. We can make it now. Now it's every 10 minutes we make it somewhere. You guys glad? Every 10 minutes we make it somewhere better. Just every 10 minutes. Can't be bad. But we got a speed run. Okay, so every time I speed roll. Okay, I got a feeling a car's gonna jump at me now because it's turning nighttime. Forget jump scares, we got car jumps. Car jumps? Let's go. Forget jump scares, we got car scare. My humor's weird. Not bad, I'd say. Weird. Weird humor. 23, let's go. Yes, sir, we got 23. New rule. Yeah, apparently you can't grab things while you're driving, which, I mean, that was always a rule. Sure, you could put, like, you cannot put your contacts in while driving. I think everybody knows that by now. But let's go. 25,000 meters. Miles, actually. This feels like miles, not meter. Oh, it's meters, but nah, another ghost town. Let me out. What is that? What are you? Let me out of here. You've reached your fated destination. I should have drove around them. Okay, well that was me reaching 25,000 meters. I think, yeah, meters. It's meters. I looked at, yep, meters. I knew it. Okay. That's me trying to, well, attempting to reach 30,000 meters, and there's a thunderstorm. But if you want a part 2 of this, just like the video a bunch. I don't really like, maybe like just All I'm asking, 150 likes. That's not too much. That's not too much, but it's still quite a bit. So if you could get me to that, we'll do a part 2, and and we'll go from here. And goodbye for now.